Hi, my name is Teresa and I'm here to demonstrate to you why and who should use cuticle cream. Let's say you're giving yourself a manicure and you don't have time to sit and soak your nails in the water to soften up your cuticles. You can easily buy some cuticle cream at the beauty supply or just get some lotion you have around the house. You want to apply this cuticle cream, cuticle remover I should say, apply it to your nails. I would just apply a dot to each nail like so. Very easy. And then rub it in, making sure you get all of your cuticles. This way, it can help and soften up the cuticles. When it comes to pushing them back, it'll be a lot easier. So you want to then, again, apply all the cuticle remover to the cuticles around the nail bed. That way, when you get your orange wood stick, it's a lot easier for them to push back. You can buy this at the store. Any brand will be fine. Let it set on there for about 5 minutes if you're not doing a manicure. If you are with water, if you are not using water, let it set on for 5 minutes. It's a lot easier to push back your cuticles with a cuticle remover.